Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pepecoin. As of April 17, Pepecoin record all-time low. We are talking about 3 months ago, and now we are recording 6,190% increase in price for this coin. April 17 to May 17 is 1 month. May 17 to June 17 is 2 months. June 17 to July 17 is 3 months. Today's date is just 4th. So we still have about almost 2 weeks to complete this coin, exactly 3 months. But 6,190% has been recorded. So if I've invested just $100, we are talking about $6,190 already. If I invested $10, I've already earned about $600 for just $10 already. Imagine, even though it's just $1, we are talking about $60. Okay, so this is good. This is nice. I'm happy to see that this coin is really doing well. Okay, and I'm happy that the coin have also tried their best, and they are now ranked among the top page. And we're even expecting this coin with 6,190 to hit about 10,000% soon. But don't be surprised to see Pepecoin at 100,000% for the end of the year. Or anything can happen, and this coin is still trading with I think 5 zeros. So I think it's one of the coin you need to buy right now, but just buy what you can afford to lose. But for Pepecoin, 6,190% increase in price, 6,190% price bump already, 6,190% profit, 6,190% gain already. So this is good, and I'm happy for this coin doing well since April 17. Since the coin recorded all-time low, this coin has been doing great. So Pepecoin, wow, try buy. You can buy it on Binance, you can buy it on Kucoin also. So once again, thank you for stopping by.